Hi, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, I'm Jessica and I am so excited to take you on a unique travel guide tour to one of the most beautiful and charming beach towns, which is Cascais, Portugal. Here's your exclusive behind the scenes look at what this gorgeous spot has to offer. If you're looking to get a break from the hustle and bustle of daily life and immerse yourself in some breathtaking scenery and serene, natural environment, then Cascais awaits you. From the classically picturesque architecture to the many historical monuments to the rugged landscape of the Portuguese seaside, there is something for everyone here. Let's hop on a tour bus and explore the true beauty of Cascais. Our first stop on the tour is the Rua Frederico Aruca, where we can enjoy some awe-inspiring sights. With its whitewashed buildings, vivid colors, quaint cobblestone pathways, and inviting parks, it's no wonder gets the attention it does. Whether you're looking to grab a cup of coffee, shop at local stores, or take a stroll, this street offers something unique. The winding coastline of Cascais is a must-visit when you're in the area. There are fantastic beaches that you won't want to miss out on. Boca do Inferno, which literally translates to Mouth of Hell, is one of the area's most famous spots. Enjoy gorgeous landscapes, sunbathe, or simply take some incredible photos here. I know that a trip to Cascais wouldn't be complete without stepping foot in the Praia Grande. This striking, golden beach is the perfect spot to spend a day soaking up the sun, snorkeling, lazing in the sun, or playing a game of beach volleyball. Cascais is a charming getaway for anyone looking for a peaceful escape. It offers something for everyone, from history and culture to stunning beaches and picturesque parks. Thanks for joining me on this amazing adventure. I hope my travel guide to the charming beach town of Cascais has made you want to pack your bags and explore this stunning corner of Portugal.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!